Hello everyone, this is a coffee machine application demo with DWIN LCD display. You can preset various kinds of coffee mode and their specification parameters. The selection method can be set to touch or drag. Press OK, enter into the payment page. After payment, enter into the producing progress. You can also access related settings for device management. Set a security code. Layer-by-layer setting of device-related functional pages. For time's sake, we do not display them or only select some management functions for demonstration here. You can fulfill your own demo with similar method. Next, let's see how to realize it. Prepare all the needed pictures in advance. Create a new project with the resolution coordinated with your display. Import background images. Generate ICL files for backgrounds and icons. Save them under the DWIN set folder. Zero word bank. Download or copy from other project. Both are OK. Generate the 13, 14, and 20 turbine file. Add a boot animation. Select the picture animation display and set the animation start and end time according to your UI design. Next is the main setup. Use return key code to realize switching to the coordinated page for each coffee mode. Switch to next step, specifications selection page, page 22. Key value range from 0000 to FFFF to distinguish the return key value. Same VP address can be set with different key value, range from 0000 to FFFF. We set it as 1000 here. On page 21, we make the same settings, using the same VP address to maintain consistency with page 20 and distinguishing between each coffee mode with continued key values. Please note that the system algorithm is in hexadecimal, so 10 and 11 should be replaced with a B. Use Basic Touch module to achieve page turning. Next, choose the specifications of coffee. Use a variable icon module to ensure the coffee mode appearing here is consistent with the one you selected earlier. Same VP with its former step. Choose the icon file and the right icon image number coordinated with the key value. Other parameters set with your needs. Coffee specifications can be selected with dragging. Use drag adjustment module. Set a VP address do not conflicted with other VP and the direction. The following two are the same as above setting. Overlay a variable icon component to achieve touch selecting. Consistent with the corresponding drag component's VP. And choose the coordinated icon file and icon pictures. Max IMN number decided by the segments you preset on the base picture. Use incremental adjustment to select the number of cups. VP do not conflicted with others. Set the adjustment range according to your actual needs. Use data variable display to match the cup counts. Select the required detailed parameters. Use a return key code module to confirm the settings or withdraw. Payment page settings. The coffee mode picture set is the same with the previous page. Different key value to distinguish payment type. Also, you can add a basic touch module to cancel and return. Next, the coffee producing progress. Use an animation icon to show a brief animation of the production process. A brand new VP. Here is the value that starts and stops the animation. Choose the coordinated icon file and ID. Choose Reset to ensure it repeating cycle when other progress is not yet completed. Another animation icon to shows the progress bar. Setting method same as the above. Add a variable icon to shows the coordinated coffee name, setting as above steps. Here, add Basic Touch module to switch page 2. After the producing finished, we need it to change to the next page automatically, so we can add an image animation module. Add Basic Touch module to switch page 2. The whole coffee choosing and producing process completed. Next, we can set a password code to enter into the equipment setup. For convenience, the DWIN logo is set as the entry button here. You can use other symbols too instead. Copy it to each page's logo place. Here we choose Basic Touch module so that we can set these numbers as a simple numeric keyboard. Define each number with the below description. Use variables input to display the input numbers. Here the detailed parameter definitions you can refer to the DGES development guide. Mainly pay attention that integer digits coordinate with the password numbers you set, and keyboard location begins with the show location parameters. Collaborate with data variable display setting method as previous. It is possible to use DWIN language to verify the correctness of passwords. Please refer to the video DWIN password login. Add Basic Touch module. Here we also use Basic Touch module to enter the next level page or go back. Set the corresponding entry page. Add the next level operation page to each subdirectory as well. In this section, the demo do not prepare next page for every component, we just take shipment situation as the example here. You can fulfill your own project as needed. Equipment operation, same settings as previous page. Take clean as example here. We can add a short animation effect to the cleaning process to display the progress too. Connect it with page 32. Add an animation icon. Set the parameters. Use a new VP and set the icon ID properly. The progress circle can display enough time, so we can choose not to reset. If you want to cancel the process, you can use page 31 display progress 64% as a touch effect. Also use a picture animation to realize automatically switching to read next page when cleaning progress ended. Add animation icon as page 32. Just pay attention that, when it comes to this page, the cleaning progress is ended, so the stop, start and end icon ID should all be set as 100%. For the recipe management, in this sample there also only a conceptual background. You can add next level handle page as needed. The same with product management page 2. Use basic touch to go back. The demo setting is completed. Click Generate, Save, then use a SD card to burn it into the display. If you want to know more details, please refer to DWIN 2 Application Development Guide. Thanks for watching.